Hey folks, good morning. This is Alex with MarineMax here on Lake Lanier, and today I am on board our Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is basically the ultimate family lake boat. If you're thinking about having the getaway with friends and family, bringing the neighbors, this is a 13 people capacity boat. This is not a tiny boat. It has lots of room for everybody. Comes equipped with two nice bucket seats. You can see the wraparound seats in the back here, as well as a beautiful bow. This boat not only has room for passengers, but also has a very large in-floor storage where you can put your wakeboards, water skis, all sorts of things. So as we go through the boat, you'll see actually Sea Ray quality all around, beautiful stitching, upholstery, multi-density foam. So this boat is actually, when you sit on it, you just feel all the comfort, and it will take you obviously longer days on the water enjoying your boat. It has actually also, as a plus, a beautiful area back here. So you have actually a head in this boat for cold weather when you just want to take fully advantage of the day. As we walk through the bow, you have this very sleek open bow as opposed to a pointy tiny bows on other boats. This actually has a flare out, so it actually gives you more room for stretch your legs and have more passengers here, more comfort throughout. Beautiful, sport, stylish windshield with actually black anodized, as well as a bimini top with a very large cover, so basically covers all the way from the windshield to the back of the passengers. This boat here also equipped with a beautiful digital screen, so all your mechanicals, all your electronics, everything is concentrated here on your dash. Has a 250 horsepower MerCruiser engine, so it's got plenty power to pull skiers, carry friends at the same time. Come and see us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I'll be happy to assist you, and everybody here will welcome you with open arms. Once again, Alex with MarineMax. Hope to see you soon.